Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to power off Samsung A36 or the A56. If you are using A36 or A56 and now you want to power off your phone, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to scroll down your control center and here you will get the power icon. Just tap on it, then tap on power off, and then tap on it again to power off your phone. Here's the second way. Just open settings, search here, and you just have to search for side button. Just search for this, and then select long press, and here you just have to select power off menu. When you have selected, just go back. Now whenever you give a long press on your power button, you will get on this type menu. Just tap on power off and then tap on power off again to power off your phone. So that's how you can easily power off on your Samsung A36 or A56. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.